Two incomes should build more than a lifestyle, but sometimes the money comes in and disappears. You both earn, you both work, you both try to be responsible. So why does it still feel like nothing is being built? Not because you are both careless, because nobody has told the money what its job is. No shared plan, no savings target, no investing system, no spending boundaries, no honest review of where the money is actually going. So your relationship keeps reacting. Bills, dates, trips, gifts, emergencies, random spending, another "we deserve it" moment, another month where the money looked good on payday, then vanished by the end. And then you ask the question nobody wants to say out loud. How do we earn this much and still build so little? That is the problem. Your relationship may have income, but it does not have a financial operating system. And without a system, two incomes do not build freedom. They just fund a bigger lifestyle. Follow and subscribe for more, and watch out for the next video in the Money Autopsy series, Case File Number 5, The Relationship Trap, coming out soon.